was about Welcome Passenger. The idea was that the guys prototyped the idea of how the vehicle should behave if you approach this vehicle. So on the one hand side, it could be your own vehicle, or it could be a car sharing vehicle. So they should be open and think about, okay, it could be something like adjusting the seat, open the door, open the trunk, or whatever they came in their mind. For example, having some lights. And the idea was that they just starting from the prototype of ideation to the real implementation of an application, to the deployment to an real vehicle, or in our case also some sweet cases with some devices simulating, for example, the seat or the lights. And the goal was that we, on the one hand side, getting real experience from the developers, how they use our projects. We combined a couple of our projects, for example, starting with the prototype by Digital Auto, going then to the real development with Velocitas, using there also Kuxa and Leder, and bringing that then on a device where, for example, also the project Summer is running. And our idea or the goal was that we can get real feedback from the guys and also finding issues where they are struggling. I would say it was a quite open event, so I got really the impression that the people really wanted to try out the different softwares and projects that we have provided, and really getting, they were really interested in figuring out how that works and how they belong to each other. And it was not only the spirit of just focusing too much on the challenge. They were really interested in the project, and I really liked that spirit of trying out things and just getting feedback. On the one hand side, you have different participants, so from students to OEM employees, and on the other hand side, you have also the partners which are here around, and you can get really feedback from so much participants. We have different companies that even use the time to collaborate with each other and figuring out how the projects could work with each other, and that makes it, I think, very special, so that you have such a broad audience here. Basically how to improve. That's basically why we are here and why it is so helpful for us, just making our products better.